Hello, welcome. Today I have my Sephora play box, one of my very favorite boxes, and I'm swiftly running out of January, so here goes. Sephora Play is a monthly subscription box, and for $10 a month you get 6 sample size beauty items worth at least $65 value. Inside each box you get one of these handy dandy papers that lists everything that's inside. You get a reusable bag pouch that you could use in your other bags. I put them in my larger bags to organize. This has a zodiac chart, a stress busting beauty chart. And the theme appears to be stress-free beauty. You can expect these makeup, skincare, and hair care stars to ease your mind and beautify your daily routine. So let's see what we've got. I'm going to reach into my pouch. There's something in. The first thing I found is Dr. Andrew Wheel for Origins. Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. Comfort stressed out skin with a reishi, chaga, and coprinus mushroom packed treatment that feels like water and soothes like lotion. You put it on with a cotton pad or your fingertips and you gently tap it. To clean dry skin. I guess I'm not entirely sure what it does. Okay. I mean, my skin is very red, as you can tell. I could use some soothing. The next item in my Sephora Play box for January is the Beauty Bonus. Beauty Bonus item. It's Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb. It's going to show you the little packaging. You don't need to be an earth sign to appreciate this warm and spicy floral scent, featuring jasmine and patchouli with a middle notes of orange blossom, which sounds kind of nice. The next item in the bag is Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. Okay, I'm almost out of my all-nighter, so who doesn't like setting spray? We could have used some of that tonight. Keep your makeup in place from sunrise to starrise with this alcohol-free setting spray that helps protect against pollution. It's a setting spray. You know how to use it. You put on your makeup, you hold it about here, you spray it. Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. The stars align to create this jet black liner that allows for tattoo-like precision and easy peasy iconic cat eye application. This is the best liner, and apparently Kat Von D is no longer part of running of this company, so I guess we can all enjoy it without guilt now. Because it is literally the best liner. It's my favorite. So I'll be really glad that I don't have to feel bad about thinking that anymore. Yay! Next we have everybody's favorite Glam Glow. This is a Super Mud clearing treatment mask. These guys make the best masks. Is good. Let's see. Clarifying charcoal. It's an activated charcoal mask. I don't know about that. It says it will provide clarity for your skin and your psyche. Glam Glow makes really good masks, but that might be overselling it just a tad. This is labeled as an award-winning item. You know how you use a charcoal mask. You put a thin layer over clean, dry skin. Or you can use it as a spot treatment to dry out breakouts. When it dries, you'll know it, and then you rinse it off with warm water. We have come to the end. This item is the last. It is another old favorite. Okay. Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. That's just a really good primer. They're interesting. Okay, this box. Sephora tends to send me a lot of things I haven't seen before, but this box is the opposite of that. This box is like old favorites that I've totally seen before and I'm happy to see again. I don't know how to feel about that. It's not really innovating. Well, it is, because I've never seen this before. This mushroom lotion. I don't know what to call my favorite item in this box. I'm really excited to use my Kat Von D tattoo liner without guilt, so I mean, that's good timing. I guess I'm most interested in this Mega Mushroom Relief Lotion because it's new to me, and that's exciting. How about you? What was your favorite item in the box? Do you like getting items that you've had before? Even if they're old favorites, how does that feel to you? I'm really curious. I don't mind. I don't mind Sephora just refilling my tattoo liner every once in a while. I'm always gonna love it, so why not? Let me know what you think about that in the comments down below. Like and subscribe and hit the little bell if you want notifications of when I get my videos up, because we'll see if these last 2 boxes make it into January at all. You're gonna need that bell to keep you informed. That's all. I hope that you had fun opening this box with me, because I enjoyed opening it with you. I can't wait to hear what you think about it, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.
For more adventures of a girl and her box, click the playlist in the top left. If you'd like to see what we get up to in our lives around here, click the playlist in the top right. I'll put my last Sephora play box down on the bottom. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the circular icon of my face. Thanks for watching!